So folks, we have a really special knife today. This is a GEC open house knife, sometimes referred to as an OH knife, and that's because it has an etching, and as you can see right there, the etching is OH TAC 3 right there on the bolster. Has a clean etch. It is sharpened perfectly on both sides. All right, and this knife was handpicked by me. I went up in 2008 and picked up a whole bunch of GEC open house knives, and this is one of the knives that I picked up. This one's absolutely beautiful. It's very thin, very nice. Comes with your tube, the original tube. All right, it's got all the labeling, and then I also have the original receipt, and that comes in this. And inside here you will get the 2000 pricing. That's all I'm going to show you. That's top secret. And that's really interesting. It shows you the different pricing of all the different knives, distributor and such. And then the original receipt. Okay. And then also your production totals. And this shows you how rare this knife is. So this knife on the 2008 production totals, this was one of two pieces of the black, blue, and red. And this is the acrylic, and this was the open house knife. And these are just so pretty. And your tube is in perfect condition. And your knife is in perfect condition. Just so pretty. It's a really dark knife. It literally absorbs the light source that I'm using. The blade, on the other hand, is extremely reflective. So this is a hard knife to photograph. In person, it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, the contrasting colors is just really hard for my camera to pick up. You can see how pretty this blade is. You can see how nice that etch is. It's got a tang stamp on both sides. This is one of two open house knife. The only way that you would get one of these is if you bought it on the second-hand market. And then also trust is a thing. I have the original receipt. I have the, if you look up on my YouTube channel, you can see when I actually bought this knife on YouTube in 2008. And it's perfect. It has a beautiful half stop. You guys want to hear the snap? I'll put it close to my microphone. The pull, all right, I got just normal fingernails, very nice. I'd say it's about a heavy 7, really nice. And these acrylics are stable. It's not like cell that will degas on you or be any issue. You can store this knife with any other type of knife that you have. And just, it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. Nice and centered blade. Nice fit between the bolster and the scales. Perfect rivet placement. I hand-picked my open house knives out of the entire case. I was the first one to walk into the door. So as it comes to 2008, I got the pick of the litter. My wife and myself were the first ones there. I'm a big fan of GEC. I just love these guys. Just beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys have some luck bidding. My last open house knife sold for $500 within 5 minutes. I got an offer. I'm kind of wanting to see what would happen if I let this one ride on eBay. So I don't know how I'm going to post this one, but it will be up on eBay, and the link will be just below this YouTube video. Good luck to all of you guys, and oh yeah, so we'll see how high this goes, and good luck. I'm out. Doggo running.